right, so I just jumped on this horse, and it doesn't matter if you're riding a older horse, a younger horse, a lazy horse, a reactive horse. From the moment I get on my horse, I gave him about 100 feet or so there to just settle into me walking together. But once I get a few feet under us and we've walked a little bit, I'm going to ask his mind to connect with me. When I ask his mind to connect with me, I'm going to also get his feet. Or if it's easier for you to think about getting their feet connected to you, their mind and their feet go together. So it doesn't really matter. Like from the moment I got on him, I said, hey, we're working, but this isn't hard work. This is a time for this horse and I to connect, meaning, will he listen to me? Can I stay soft in my hands? Will he accept my legs? Will he use his body properly? He's giving me a lot of green lights right there. I can just feel how soft he feels. Even with the cameras and all of the excitement, no other horses in here, he's just staying right here with me. All I want in the beginning is his brain connected to his feet, connected to my hands, connected to my intentions. The things that I would like to do with him, not to him, or not what I need him to do for me. We're a team. And this is a mental and a physical warm-up. And I think it's overlooked a lot of times with folks that use their horses for performance sports or use their horses for day work. But this is a nice little moment for this horse and I just to be together. He's not worried. He's relaxing to my hands. He just looked at me right there. He's like, wow, what's happening today? But I guess I'm in good hands, and I love that. So the next time you warm up your horse, think about this connection, the friendship between you and your horse. Try to build this into every single warm-up ride, and you'll find that as soon as you get on your horse, they come back to you mentally very quickly, like he did today. All right, so there's just a little tip for you for warming up your horse.